Namaste. Welcome to my channel Yoga with Sakshi. Today is day 17 of Power Yoga series. In today's video, wherever I jump, you have an option to walk back or walk front. So, keep your practice according to your body requirements and according to what your body feels right now. So, roll out your mats and let's get started. Today, we are going to start with your knees bent and get your knees closer to the chest and stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms up. Hold. 8, 7. Keep your feet off the ground. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take your legs back, downward dog. Now here you're just going to walk with your feet. 1. Change. 2. Change. 3. Change. 4. 5. And 6. Keep your hip up. 7. And 8. Walk front. Roll up. Now we're going to go with a combination. Inhale up. Exhale down. Go forward. Inhale, look up. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. You're going to look forward, jump forward. Come to Malasana. From here, you're going to transition into goddess pose. So, come up. Here now you can also just walk. Now down, take your legs back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Exhale down. Roll up. Inhale up, keep breathing. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump front. Come to Malasana. Out. Goddess pose. Down. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Stay there. Breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Jump front. Exhale down. Roll up. Once again, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale. Look forward. Exhale. Jump. Up. Inhale. Open your chest. And jump. Exhale down. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Look forward and jump. Exhale down. Roll up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump front. Look forward. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Hold. Breathe here. 3, 2, and 1. Look forward and jump. Exhale down. Roll up. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump front. Malasana. You can always walk if you're not comfortable in jumping. Out. Down. Elbows down first. Change up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Stay. 5, 4. Keep breathing here now. 3, 2, and down. Adho Mukha Virasana, rest. And I hope you all are feeling okay. And back. Today's practice is going to be slightly intense. Walk front. So don't forget to breathe. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Stay. Bend your knees. Roll up. We're going to keep on going. Feet together. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Your shoulders are already warmed up, so we're going to come to plank. 8, 7, 6. Be on your shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbow down. You're going to open the leg up. Chest open. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down. Change side. Out and open the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Walk front. Roll. Lap. Now, take your arms and interlock your elbows. Frame your face so you keep your arms right next to your ears. Inhale. Exhale, go forward. Till wherever you can keep your back straight. Hold. Keep breathing and keep reaching. And down. Arms forward, take your legs straight back. Downward dog. Now we're going to keep our feet together. Take your right leg up. Now try not to open the hip today. You're going to keep your hip parallel and stay. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings on the leg which is down. Now you open the hip and take the leg higher. Now take your leg forward in between your arms. Flex the back foot, come for high lunge. Keep breathing. Three, 2. Now reach forward. Keep your arms back in cup shape. Take your back leg up. and back. Take your legs back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Keep your feet together. We're gonna go left side. Straight. Hold. First, keeping your hips parallel. Now open the hips, still chest going back. Now bring your leg forward in between your arms. Back foot flex, up, high lunge. Keep breathing. High lunge is different from your warrior pose, so don't mix it up. Breathe. Down. Now shift your weight front, leg up. Arms in cup shape. And back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Relax in Adho Mukha Virasana. Breathe. Stretching downward dog again. 3, 2, and jump front. Exhale down. Roll up. Open your legs. Arms to the side. Take your right foot towards the right side. Trikonasana. Breathe. Inhale, up. Exhale, Parshva Konasana. Breathe. From your other arm also down, Anjani Asana. Down. Open your legs, Skandasana. Breathe. 6, 5. Chest open. 3, 2. Walk with your arms. Prasarita Adityanasana. Take your arms on the waist today. Inhale up. Exhale completely down. Inhale up. Exhale. In further inhalation, come out. Now take your left foot towards the left side. Hip, front, arms out. Exhale to the side. Inhale up. Exhale down. Anjani Asana. Arms down, feet pointed, up. Exhale, down. Come to Skandasana. Keep breathing and keep flowing. 4, 3, 2, and come forward. This time we're gonna parallel your feet This time you are going to interlock your arms. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale, arms on the floor. Now, from here, you're going to scoop. Turn out your feet again. Bring your leg up. Chatushpadasana. Keep flowing. And down. Once again, take your legs back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale, look up. Change side, twist one leg, twist one arm. Take your leg, palm facing out, then adjust and up. Once again down. You can also come directly or you can take a break and then come to Prasarita if you want to challenge yourself. And stay there. Now look up and now I give you option. Either you can just bend the knee, come down and then open your legs, or we can go directly from here. So open, 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 open. Take your hip back, open more and sit. One arm forward, one arm up. Exhale to the side. Keep reaching with the other arm. Keep opening your chest. Inhale up. Arms up again. Exhale to the side. And up. Now swing your leg forward. Arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Take your legs back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Relax in Adho Mukha Virasana. Inhale up. Today we're going to go for camel pose, Uttanasthasana. Flex your feet. I'm going to go with the beginner variation first and then transitioning into the advanced one. So open your chest, take your hip front, hold the heels, hold the heel. Now if this is comfortable, then you shift to pointed feet. Drop your neck and stay. Up. One leg, one arm, other arm, relax, breathe, take a breather. Inhale up. Now if you're already reaching with your pointed feet, now start walking with your hands, so a little more deeper. Open your legs, open your chest. Inhale back. Now start walking with your arms down to your toes. Deeper stretch. If not comfortable, stay there. Inhale up. Take your one arm. Other arm, exhale, relax in child's pose. Inhale up. Today we're gonna go for Supta Virasana. So you're gonna open the knees, open your feet outside. So your bum is rested on your mat. So you're comfortably sitting, and then you're gonna go slowly down. First you're gonna try and stay here, extend and back. Breathe halfway. Inhale, center. Now if you're comfortable, then only go fully down. Take your arms back. Stay there. Breathe. 5, 4. Keep breathing. You feel a nice stretch on your quads. 3, 2, and 1. Take your arms back. Come forward. Come to the pose, relaxing child's pose. Inhale up. Now take your right leg out in Rajkapotasana, pigeon pose. So both the heels should be in line. Your knee should be outside of the body. So you can take your leg back, slightly heel in. Now if you're leaning on one side, shift center. Open the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, and forward, down. Come back. Get your legs back in your butterfly. And just try to push the knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly. 5. Just opening. 6, 7. Putting a little pressure. 8, 9, and 10. Exhale down. Inhale up. Now change leg. So you're going to take the other leg back. Come up on your arms, knees out, side of the body. Both the heels should be in one line. Back straight. Hold. And forward. Come back and lie down for your Setu Bandhasana. Arms down. Open your knees. Open your feet shoulder distance apart or hip distance apart. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And stay there. Interlock your fingers if you can and stay. Otherwise, just stay here. Exhale down. You're going to come to the finishing sequence. Just roll forward and back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take your legs back. Halasana. Sarvangasana. Legs up. Bend your knees. Forward fold, arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now bring your one knee in. Put the opposite arm, hug it in. Back straight. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Change legs. In. Exhale, twist. Inhale, sit cross-legged, interlock your fingers, exhale. Keeping your eyes closed, relax in Shavasana. Relax your body entirely on the mat. Try not to hold the weight on your own. Surrender yourself completely to Mother Earth. Inhale deeply and exhale. As you inhale, feel your stomach going up. As you exhale, feel it going down. And observe the rhythm of your breath in the body. Relax. Relax. Bring your awareness back. Gently move your toes and your fingers, feet together. Right arm above your head, left arm onto the belly. Bend your left knee, turn towards the right side. Keeping your eyes closed, come to sitting. Bring your awareness back, gently rub your palms. Once you feel the warm cupped thighs, gently massage your face. Release your arms in front of your chest with gentle smile. Few blinks, open your eyes looking at the palms. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me in this session. Have a wonderful day ahead and I will see you tomorrow at the same time. Keep your practice up, stay hydrated and have a good day. Thank you.